Hey, thanks so much for coming back for yet another video in this series that I have. So happy that you have come back again. And today I want to talk to you about overcoming fears, but I don't want to talk about overcoming fears just with anything. I want to talk about overcoming fears specifically whenever it comes to your goals, because there are a lot of fears that can come up when you are trying to achieve something amazing. So recently, I launched a new business. And while I was launching the business, or while I was developing the business, I should say, a lot of fears came up. And so, one of my mottos that I have in life is if they can do it, I can do it too. And I have done this with every single aspect of my life that you can imagine. So, um, when I was pregnant, I was like, well, I can't get off this roller coaster now. What am I going to do? You got to see it to the end. And so, one of the things that really helped me to get through that fear was if other people can do it, I can do it too. And then the same too with building the business, with changing my career, with learning about different things that I thought were so difficult. Like I went to YouTube and I learned through master classes, how to do video editing, how to create a magazine, all of these things. And so it really was, I really had to put into practice that if other people can do it, I can do it too. Or if they can do it, I can do it too. And so I want you to really approach your own life from that place and use that to help you to overcome your fears, because a lot of people want to make changes in their life, but they're afraid to do so. And I'm one of those type of people that I run towards the danger. I didn't really see myself as that before. The school that I was working in, we had a police officer there, and one day I was talking to her, and then all of a sudden she was like running out to her squad car, and then she runs back in and she was like, oh, false alarm, sorry, like there was a burglary in progress in the middle of the day. And I was like, and she was like, it was really near, so like I have to respond to that call too. And because it was so near to the school. And so I was just like, you're insane, why would you run towards that danger? Right. And she's like, I don't know, I love it. But then I really started to think about my own self, and I was like, you know what? I do the same thing. Anytime that I'm faced with a fear, I'm always just like, I know it's an illusion. I know that it is a construct that my mind has made up to keep me safe. And yes, there are fears, like when I had a fear of heights, right? Like that's a very real, actual, rational fear. Fear of spiders, totally rational fear. Sorry, people that are afraid of clowns, not rational. The clowns are not going to eat you, and clowns are not going to come after you. I'm sorry to tell you, but it's true. And so, whenever I really started looking at the fears that I had as, yes, this fear is trying to protect me, but at the same time, I know that overcoming this fear is for my greatest good. That's whenever I started developing that mentality of, oh my gosh, I do run towards the danger. Whenever there is fear, I stare it in the face and I'm like, fear, not today. I got things to do and you're standing in my way. And so, again, having that motto of if other people can do it, I can do it too, really has helped to transform my life. And I wanted to share that with you today in hopes that it would help you to transform your life too. Even just listening to, that short explanation, I hope is something that will continue to inspire people for a while to come. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.